Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Jeep Renegade. So first of all, we go to settings, we make sure Bluetooth's on, we're watching out at the bottom, we go over here, click phone. So it says no phone paired, there's nobody in here with the phone paired, so pair a phone, yes. Start pairing phone or other Bluetooth device, vehicle device name, Uconnect, pin 1476. So we've got Uconnect here, that's come up already. Click on Uconnect. What happens? Vehicle device name, confirm the pin shown corresponds to that on the device. Yes, it does. 702176. Pair and accept. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Bluetooth pairing successful. This device supports audio and phone. That's brilliant. So okay, there you go. It's downloading my phone book. That'll take a while, but it's basically done. And let's just see, Uconnect connected. So that's it done. Phone ready. All sorted.